Pretoria-based ICAT is a leading environmental management company that specializes in the development of products and services that ensure environmental compliance for all its industrial clients. Through its commitment to continuous research and development, ICAT is able to ensure efficient dust control through innovative and cost-effective products that assist with surface stabilization while ensuring a significant reduction in water usage. ICAT offers its services and products through its four main divisions, namely ICAT Dust Solutions, ICAT Fire Solutions, ICAT Water Solutions, and ICAT Environmental Solution. Each division offers world-leading products which are environmentally friendly. ICAT's road dust palliatives have all been certified by Eco-Specifier as being environmentally friendly. ICAT delivers its products and services in South Africa, Botswana, Namibia, Zambia, Mozambique, the DRC, and Guinea, and manages projects in Western Australia and has offices in Perth. ICAT obtained approval for its road dust solutions from the environmental departments of all these countries for importing and application. ICAT leads by example when it comes to environmental sustainability, having recently invested in its new sustainable campus located at the N4 Gateway Park, which features a 914 square meter office building and a 1,035 square meter warehouse. Environmental resilience, economic demands, and social sustainability are key focuses of this building's design. In 2014, ICAT was nominated by the South African Department of Science and Technology for a TT100 award in the Sustainable Performance category. The TT100 Business Awards program that is managed by the Da Vinci Institute, with support from various partners such as Eskom and government, was launched in 1991 by the South African Engineering Association. TT100 has evolved into one of the foremost business award programs that laud South African companies for their business prowess in the management of technology, innovation, people, systems, research and sustainability, regardless of their industry. ICAT is proud to have qualified as a finalist in the Large Enterprise Division, where they had to compete for top honors against listed entities such as Standard Bank, De Beers, ABB, Afrox, Altec, Digicor, and Prime Media. Increasingly stringent environmental legislation has resulted in on-site dust suppression systems playing a role of continued importance in the African mining industry, and ICAT Environmental Solutions has been a leader in this field for more than a decade.
The impact of dust in the mining environment has got two very broad-based aspects to it. The first and foremost, where we have been focusing for quite some time, is in the dust associated with the mining and the impact on the environment and the impact of the community surrounding the environment. We have a large range of solutions in this area. The second very large aspect is obviously that there are a range of occupational illnesses associated with dust.
As part of its commitment to environmental responsibility, ICAT is currently in the process of obtaining Agreement South Africa certification on its range of RDC20, Green Grip, and GreenBit dust suppression solutions. This certification provides reassurance of the fitness for purpose of a product through an objective assessment by an independent organization with more than 30 years of experience in evaluating non-standardized building and construction products. Agreement South Africa's certification demonstrates compliance with various regulations. RDC20 is a water-soluble anionic polyelectrolyte polymer that is exclusively developed by ICAT. It is an innovative formulation of blended emulsified copolymers and ionic modifiers. When sprayed on the road surface, RDC20 forms a durable cross-linked matrix. The matrix binds the fine soil particles into larger, heavier particles, which are less prone to become airborne. RDC20 is used on temporary roads, as it is a cost-efficient means to improve road and dust conditions exponentially. Green Grip is a natural polymer-based gravel road sealant. It is an environmentally safe alternative to chemically based products for semi-permanent gravel roads on mines and residential areas. The solution produces a durable, smooth and dust-free surface with fewer maintenance intervals. GreenGrip is water-soluble and is easily incorporated into routine dust suppression procedures with no requirement for special equipment or handling precautions. GreenBit is a natural binding agent combined with an emulsified bituminous product to create a durable gravel road sealant. It is an environmentally safe alternative to purely chemically based products for permanent gravel roads on mines and in residential areas. GreenBit contains around 70% of all natural binders derived from wood extracts, a byproduct of paper and pulp industry which has a negative carbon footprint due to carbon sequestration by trees. The balance contains emulsified bitumen and natural polymers, making the product far less environmentally risky than an alternative on the market. GreenBit is also diluted with between 80 to 99.75% water, depending on road and soil conditions, before application by spray trucks. GreenBit produces a durable, smooth and dust-free surface that eliminates the need for frequent maintenance. Water and fuel are precious commodities on open-pit mines. Spillage and overfilling are major challenges in the industry. In order to overcome this costly and wasteful trend, iCAT developed RFID, a camera-based technology that assists water bowser operators in lining up 85,000-litre water bowsers at filling points located across the mine. In the past, this tedious task involved the driver regularly climbing out of the vehicle before aligning it with the filling point. The element of human error often resulted in misalignment and spillage. iCAT's RFID camera technology ensures pinpoint alignments without the driver having to set foot outside of the bowser. This substantially reduces the risk of spillage and also leads to significant time and cost savings. The Dust Monster range of machinery minimizes the effects of dust by creating an ultrafine mist that attracts dust and encapsulates the airborne particles before driving them to the ground. The units are fully automatic, easily adaptable and portable. With its rugged 37 kilowatt motor and user-definable 359-degree oscillation, the Dust Monster boasts a throw of more than 100 meters, thereby ensuring that its dust-trapping atomized mist has a coverage area of 2.6 hectares. iCAT recently acquired the distribution rights of an innovative new patented low-pressure dual-medium mist nozzle system. Developed and manufactured in Europe, the Scrub Mist system is a superior technology that has many advantages, the most notable being in low water consumption and high kinetic energy created by a mixture of water and compressed air at only 4 bar pressure. The high kinetic charge water droplets are unaffected in the harshest conditions, which is the most common disadvantage of the current technology available on the market. It enables the user to have full control of the amount of water used. The technology breaks down water droplets to below 15 microns, thereby neutralizing and controlling the dust at the source of emission via the grouping of dust elements into larger agglomerations. iCAT just completed the Scrub Mist system at Assmang's Beeshoek iron ore mine in the Northern Cape. The project included the installation of multiple programming logic controllers, PLCs, which control and automate the numerous Scrub Mist systems by using an array of advanced robust technologies. The system furthermore allows authorized users to monitor and control the system remotely with its unique cloud-based server. The Scrub Mist system is installed throughout the plant area at Assmang Beeshoek North and South Mine, covering jig stockpiles, crushers, stackers, washing and screening plants and bin feeders. iCAT has introduced its own prominent misting ring at the jig stockpile. The ring will reduce dust generated from one of its main sources of contaminants in the mining environment. In a constantly evolving and growing mining industry, we believe it is of utmost importance to continually develop and grow technologies in order to comply with governing bodies to create a more safe and healthy environment for all people to live in. tailing dams need to be managed on a consistent basis. The task of dust suppression becomes more challenging in dry and densely populated areas. ICAT Environmental Solutions has successfully minimized the impact of dust on communities located in the vicinity of tailing dams by making use of the TDS 2005 tailing dam seal solution.
You get tailing dams in different lifetimes where when a tailing dam is being reclaimed, ICAT has got short-term solutions tailor-made for reclamation sites where we can offer a solution just for a certain time period. Then also we offer longer-term solutions with active tailing dams and also dormant tailing dams. So we've got a full range of solutions from a 1 month to 3 month type of solution right through to a 1 year to a year and a half solution.
The recently launched ICAT Environmental Division assists industrial operations across numerous industries in ensuring environmental compliance and continuous improvement in environmental performance. The ICAT Environmental Division assists clients with waste classification and management, environmental compliance monitoring, water, dust and noise, environmental authorization process, and comprehensive annual audits and reviews. Dust fallout is conducted to monitor compliance with environmental legislation and regulations, and more specifically, the National Dust Control Regulations of 2013. Open-top dust buckets no less than 150 mm in diameter, with a height no less than twice its diameter, are erected on-site for an exposure period of approximately 30 days in order to allow dust to settle. The dust buckets are collected and sealed on site, and samples are taken to the relevant SANS-accredited laboratory for analysis. ICAT, change that doesn't cost the earth.